Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. Are you looking for a camera lens bag? Then you might be interested in this one by PGYTECH. I'm really loving the fact that it's a single-handed access to open it because it has this fin lock magnetic buckle and you simply pull it down and then it opens up. And the back has a hook and loop attachment. It has two shoulder loops that you can attach a strap to or the top handle. And when it's closed, it's really secure. So you really have to do the right angle by pulling it down and out. Inside, it's cushioned beautifully and it's incredibly soft. It has 4 layers, so the cushioning was really made well so that way we can bring this with us and have our photo shoots, depending on if we're going to shoot up close or distance shots, we'll have those lenses very available. It's also nice because the outside of the shell is splash resistant. So if we're anywhere near water or if it does sprinkle, it's nice to have our lens secure and organized in this case. This is really nice for lenses that are up to 122 millimeters. That is the internal diameter. They also have the medium size and then we have the large. So depending on the size of your lens, these are just wonderful options for feeling organized and just being really efficient when we're out trying to get those beautiful shots and having it so convenient right on our hip. We love it, but that's just our point of view.